Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone so you can change secure settings. First, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times, then open developer options and turn on USB debugging. Once done, make sure the device is charged above 50% and you've backed up important data. Unlocking wipes user data. Also sign into the same account and connect to Wi-Fi or cellular, so the OEM unlock toggle can appear and sync any carrier or account restrictions. Now you move into execution. Check developer options for the OEM unlock toggle. If it's visible, enable it. If not, continue to the next slide. Once enabled, connect to a computer, run a DB reboot bootloader to enter the bootloader, then use Fastboot OEM unlock or Fastboot flashing unlock on newer devices. You must accept the on-device prompt. This wipes user data because unlocking removes verified boot and encryption keys. This is why backups matter. Finish by verifying success. After the unlock command completes, use Fastboot OEM device info or watch the bootloader messages to confirm the unlock state. Reboot and restore your backup. If you prefer, you can relock with Fastboot flashing lock, but relocking may require a factory reset and can trip warranty protections. If the OEM unlock toggle stays grayed out, check whether your carrier or bootloader policy blocks it, whether there is a 7-day waiting period, or if a security patch has disabled unlocking. Those are the usual blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.